Do it.
No.
Blow. Blow.
No, licky.
Put that tongue back in your mouth, boy.
No, honey,
Blow.
that's gonna hurt
Blow.
your teeth if you
Blow.
try to
Go.
Can you do that? Wanna get fishy? Can't bite it, honey. You'll crack your tooth.
Blow. Blow. Put your lips together. Don't lick it. Look. Put your lips together like this. Blow. You got it? Blow. He held his nose.
Crazy people.
You can do it right. Come on. Just do it once. I know you can do it.
What are you gonna do?
He's using it like a drumstick.
You can use it like a drumstick. Of course. Oh, okay, there you go.
Use it like a drumstick.
I'm gonna see your Anthony over there. What did you do to your little fast, honey? Oh.
Right, look at me. Thank you. Thank you for looking at me. Thank you, boy. What are you doing?
Yeah.